Welcome, today I'm showing how to check battery health information into your Realme C31. Firstly, open your Play Store and in search find Ampere application, this one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now click open. Then tap yes I agree, close and OK. And now swipe on the right. And here in the second column on the top, we got our health information. Our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.